Rusty, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you with a quick video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your online presence and get more customers in the door. And you're probably asking why I'm doing this. I've recently figured out that small business owners are just so busy running their own business, taking care of their own customers. They don't have time to learn how to get more customers, and the only thing really stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. So some people will take this information and do it themselves, and some people will come to me. Either way is cool with me. I'm just here to educate and help you out and give you a quick and easy attack plan to start getting some more customers, which will also lead you to getting some more revenue. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So I noticed at first that your website is actually a Google site, and that's totally cool. However, these types of sites do not rank on Google. So what you want to do is first have a website that is hosted by, I recommend either WordPress or Snaps. Those are two really great high return on ranking platforms that you can use. So first I'm going to go over content. So looking at your homepage, there's not a whole lot of content here. When you have your website hosted on one of the recommended platforms, you definitely want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed on your homepage. I would guess you have around 200 words or so on your homepage, so not a whole lot. So let's go ahead and talk about a keyword. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. Keywords are buyer intent, and those are the ones you want to have. So for example, I went ahead and I searched at the top of Google here, flooring contractor, Chattanooga, Tennessee. I noticed you serve Chattanooga and North Georgia area. So I went ahead and put this in here. So this is a good buyer intent keyword. It is service specific and location specific, and that's what you want to have throughout your website. So I went ahead and I searched this term, and the first thing that comes up are some of these awesome Google ads here. Now 5 to 10% of consumers will choose one of these businesses to do their service that they're looking for. Below that we have something called a Google Map Pack. And 30% of people will choose one of these 3 top businesses here for their service. And last but not least, we have down here the organic search results, and 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses to do their business. Now I was looking for a local business in the Chattanooga area. That's a flooring contractor, and it's totally normal that these directories come up like Angie, Better Business Bureau, House. But the first one that comes up organically, the first business, is H&H Flooring LLC. So I went ahead and I popped them up to our, on another tab here. And this is their website. This is a competitor of yours that does some of the same services as you do. And I was looking at what they were doing. They do have some content on their homepage, not a whole lot either. I would say they probably have about 100 words or so. But they are doing some really good things correctly that I wanted to show you that you can also do yourself. So I briefly went over content. I next want to go over backlinks. So I'm going to show you here. This is a page program that I like to use to compare and evaluate websites and your competition, and it's called Ahrefs. The first thing I want to go over before I tell you what backlinks are these 2 ratings right here. So this is a DR rating. This is essentially a power rating Google gives to your website, and this is a UR rating, which is a trust rating. And both of these ratings are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website pointing to you, so it's kind of like a popularity contest. So here, H&H Flooring, they have 35 referring domains that are pointing to 218 backlinks. And I can tell they have some really great, good quality backlinks because of the fact that they have these really good ratings here, and also the fact that they are almost the same number. You definitely want to see that there. You want your power and trust rating to be almost the same. So seeing that, looking at your website, you're not ranking currently for any backlinks or referring domains. And like I said, you definitely want to have a different platform so that you can rank in the first place. But going back to the competition, so we briefly went over some backlinks there. Last thing I want to go over are citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you at the top of our search result here. And this is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like the ones we saw down here that popped up on our search result. And there's hundreds of directories out there. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them. Okay, so we went over 3 things. We went over content, backlinks, and citations. The last thing I want to show you are keywords. So currently, H&H Flooring is ranking for 436 keywords, and they're also getting some really good organic traffic per month here. They're getting 382 searches, or 382 landings to their website. And looking at their keywords here, if you notice, this is one of the good keywords, flooring Chattanooga. 500 people are searching for this per month, and they are currently ranking in the 3rd position for that keyword. There's also Chattanooga flooring, so those words were just switched around. 500 searches a month for that as well. They're in position 3 for that keyword. So Google sees, even though these have the same words in them, Google sees them as completely different keywords. Another great buyer intent keyword is here, flooring installation Chattanooga, Tennessee, 60 searches per month. Hardwood flooring Chattanooga, 100 searches per month. Hardwood floors Chattanooga, Tennessee, 80 per month. There's a lot of people looking for flooring services in Chattanooga with a lot of these keywords. That's just the Chattanooga area, not including your North Georgia service area. So definitely you're missing out on all of this volume here by not having those 3 things, the content, the citations, the backlinks, as well. So you definitely want to do those 3 things so you guys can start getting some of this traffic that they are getting. Alright, so that covers it for today. I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content and help you guys get some more customers in the door. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you, and I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback and hope you have a great day. Thank you so much.